Hey everybody. In this video, I want to walk through the process of requesting a trial from Altair for the different softwares and a few of the different options on how to get going with it. And like with most trial options, the first step is going to be filling out a form online. So go on, fill out that form. Now, the great thing is that Altair will send you an email directly, and inside that email will be some instructions. The perfect part is that the link to download the software is directly in that email. So you can click on that and get going on the software. Once you have it downloaded, you can launch it, and it'll just walk you through a wizard. Like most softwares, it'll walk you through the installation process. Okay, now that we have it installed, let's launch the software. Now, with most trials, if done properly, the first thing you should see is a little pop-up that says it's been activated, here's how much time is left. Now, if you don't see that, that's fine. There's a few other options on how to get this activated, both of which are going to require you to create an Altair One account. Now, I highly recommend you create an Altair One account anyway. There is a ton of good information in here. But to create that, you essentially go to altair1.com, fill out the form, and then it'll walk you through the steps of authorizing your email and setting up your profile the way you want it to. Okay, so this is what the dashboard for Altair One looks like. Now from here, we're going to go back to the installation process. I'm going to look for the Altair license utility and launch that. And once you have that up, you're going to see a bunch of tabs. And now in the middle, you'll see one named Managed Licensing. That's the one you're going to click. And from there, you can put in your contact information that you just created the account with. So your email and your password. Okay, so in a rare situation where those first two options don't work, you can still authorize your account by using the authorization code. You'll find that option in the utility underneath the Authorize with Altair One options. To find this authorization code, we're going to go back to Altair One, pop out our side menu, and we're going to click on Profile or anywhere in the Manage Account section. Once you get into here, you can see the options on the left-hand side. You're going to click on User Profile, find that second tab in Authorized Machines, and then you'll see that button to generate authorization code. Then all you do is copy and paste it into your utility and you're good to go. So we just talked about the three different authorization methods. The first one is that automatic authorization through the software. The second one would be creating the Altair One account and using your login information. And the last one would be that authorization code that you can generate through Altair One. Okay, I hope this was really helpful. If you have any other questions, feel free to reach out to us at trueinsight.io. Thank you.